DIY Egg White Mask to Control Scalp Oil. Are you tired of constantly dealing with an oily scalp? Do you find that no matter what shampoo you use, your hair always seems to look greasy within a matter of hours? If you're looking for an all-natural solution to this common hair problem, look no further than your kitchen. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create your own DIY egg white mask to control scalp oil. Before we dive into the recipe, let's discuss why the egg white mask is so effective at controlling scalp oil. Egg whites are high in protein, which is great for nourishing the hair and scalp. They also contain enzymes that help to break down excess oils on the scalp and hair follicles. Additionally, egg whites are a natural astringent, which helps to tighten and tone the skin on the scalp. Here's what you'll need to make your DIY egg white mask. 1 egg white. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Start by separating the egg white from the yolk. You can do this by cracking the egg and pouring the contents into a bowl. Then, use a spoon to carefully remove the yolk, leaving just the egg white in the bowl. Next, add the lemon juice, honey, and olive oil to the bowl and stir everything together until it's well combined. You should end up with a smooth, frothy mixture. Now it's time to apply the mask to your scalp. You'll want to start by sectioning your hair into manageable sections. Then, use your fingertips to apply the mask directly to your scalp. Be sure to focus on the areas that tend to get the oiliest, like the top of your head and around your hairline. Once you've applied the mask to your scalp, you can work any excess down through the length of your hair. Be sure to use a wide tooth comb to distribute the mask evenly. Now, let the mask sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, so that it has time to work its magic. During this time, you can relax and let the mask do its thing. You may feel a slight tingling sensation on your scalp, which is normal. Once the time is up, it's time to rinse out the mask. Start by rinsing your hair with warm water, using your fingertips to gently massage your scalp. Be sure to rinse thoroughly, so that there is no residue left behind. Finally, you can finish with a cool water rinse, which will help to close up your hair cuticles and give your hair a shiny, healthy appearance. You can use this mask once a week to help keep your scalp oil under control.